On our way back now to the Coco Cay Beach Club to grab a bite to eat. Supposedly that's like some of the best food on this island. So that should be exciting to check out.
Oh, come on.
Just got our appetizers, some hummus, baba ganoush, tzatziki. So far I like the baba ganoush and the hummus the most. We got some shrimp over here and some weird name, I don't remember what he said, but it's I think he said ceviche, but it's just like some sea bass. I got the lobster burger. Chris, I got the filet mignon. Filet mignon. Dessert time. I just got some orange sherbet or sorbet. Chris, I got this beautiful chocolate brownie cake.
Yummy.
Coco Cay. We just took a little quick nap after Coco Cay. We were so exhausted from the sun and a fun day. We are now trying to catch a sunset. Beautiful. Gonna probably go do some hot tubbing, grab a little bit of a snack before we do some dinner tonight. Chilling out in this huge hot tub all by ourselves. It's real nice. The wind is a little bit breezy, so we're getting cooled off and then also real heated up. Just got out of the hot tub. It was real nice. Just looking out this little window and we saw another cruise ship far off in the distance. That's pretty cool to see when you're in the middle of the ocean. Just finished the hot tub. Now we're gonna go get a bite to eat. Just got our food. The ship's looking so good. Tiger shrimp. Chris, I got some lamb. Krista just told me her mashed potatoes were so good that they tasted like birthday cake mashed potatoes. I took a bite of these mashed potatoes and they just tasted like normal mashed potatoes. So I think she's tripping.
Sweet.
Just got done with dinner. That shit was delicious. Maybe had a little bit too much to drink because my stomach was starting to feel so warm. But that didn't stop me from having a great time, having that good food. Now we have to do this long walk to the end of this hall. Our room is literally the last one in this hall. But hey, it's a big ship.